Hello, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to add a link in Instagram bio. Instagram does not allow you to add clickable links to your posts on Instagram. So, adding clickable link to your Instagram bio is a great way to direct your followers to any websites that you want them to go. So, first thing we're going to do is open up the app, and on the lower right corner of the screen, tap your profile picture. As you can see here in my profile, I don't have a clickable link. So, to get started with adding a clickable link, select Edit Profile. Then, once your in the Edit Profile opens up, you can see Add Link. Here, you can add your Facebook link, and this is where you can paste or take website addresses that you want people to be able to see and click in your bio. So, I'm just going to add my Facebook link. So, there you go. Once you've added the link, go ahead and select Done. So, when you go back to your bio, you're gonna refresh it. There you go. You can see the link here. And it will go directly to my Facebook. So, that's how you add link to your Instagram bio. So, if you have any questions about this, please leave a comment below. And we'll get back to you soon as we can. If you'd like to see more Instagram tips and tutorials, don't hesitate to subscribe and like.